Simulation modules or simulation courses can be assigned to a group of student, or an individual student. To assign a simulation module to a group of student, first click to select the group of student that you want to assign the module. Make sure that the group name appears on the Students tab. Then go to the Modules page. Find the simulation module that you want to assign. Drag the simulation module to the Students tab and drop. Now go to the Students page. We can see that the simulation module has been assigned to the group. To assign a simulation course to an individual student, first find the student that you want to assign the course, and click to select it. Make sure that the student name appears on the Students tab. Then go to the Courses page, and find the simulation course that you want to assign. Drag the simulation course to the Students tab and drop. Now go to the Students page. We can see that the simulation course has been assigned to the student.